How to clean the air vents in HP notebooks. First, turn off the computer and disconnect the power cord. Use a household or light-duty vacuum to remove dust from the vents. Using a wet dry vac or other heavy-duty vacuum could damage notebook components. The vents are located on the rear, bottom, and sides of the notebook. Use the vacuum or vacuum attachment to remove dust from the vents. You can also use a can of compressed air to remove dust from the vents. Hold the compressed air can at an angle and release the air in short, quick spurts to blow the dust out of the vents. Clean the vents regularly. Reconnect the power cord. Turn on the computer, and then continue using your notebook as normal.